Namaste student. Let's now move to the very last portion of the chapter, Heredity and Evolution. We'll be trying to know the ratio. First of all, monohybrid experiment. What is the ratio of the monohybrid experiment? That is 3:1. This ratio is phenotypic. What is the meaning of phenotypic ratio? The ratio which has been found out looking at the external character, phenotypic. Now, it also has a genotypic ratio. Okay? So that is 1:2:1 is the genotypic ratio. Understood? These two things. Along with that, we need to know dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross experiment. What is the ratio? Ratio is 9:3:3:1. Again, this one is also phenotypic, which has been found out looking at the external character. So, after that, let's now move to the another part, that is the sex determination. Okay. Sex determination means occurrence or the sex that will be occurring in the next generation or the organism which has sexes, how it is found out. Okay. In case of human, the sex determination, father is always the determiner. We generally have a misconception that the mother is the determiner. No, mother is not the determiner of sex. It is the father who is the determiner of the sex of the next generation. So, father and mother. Father is having sex chromosome XY. One pair. 22 pairs are autosome. One pair is sex chromosome. That is for the father, for the male. That is XY. For the mother, for the woman, for the girls, it is XX. So that is called the heterozygous. Father is heterozygous. What is the meaning of heterozygous? Non-identical alleles. Mother is homozygous. What is the meaning of homozygous? Identical alleles. Both are same, identical, non-identical. It is not same with one another. So the father, when it forms the gamete, okay, here it will be meiosis. Here also it will be meiosis. So it will be forming two types of gametes. But mother, as it is homozygous, will be producing always one type of gamete. The question may be, why mother produces one type of gamete? Because mother is, female is, a girl is homozygous. That you have to keep in mind. So, this will be one type. Gamete will be one type. So, I am writing here gametes. Now, another question may be there. Why some organisms sex changes in their lifetime? Examples may be snail. Okay, because that is not genetically determined in human beings. What you are finding? Sexes are genetically determined. Our sex are genetically determined. So, this X, if it will unite with this X, and if this Y unite with this X, see now, father is having two type of gamete, mother is having one type of gamete. If this one type of the father gamete unite with the one type of the mother, mother is always having one type. This will be girl. This one is Y uniting with X. So X and Y leading to the formation of boy. This is sex determination. So we have to keep in mind our sex is determined genetically. In case of snails, organism, sexes keep on changing during the lifetime. Which is changed during the lifetime is not determined genetically. That's all, students. From this chapter, we have done 4 videos for this chapter. Go through it very nicely so that all come under the let's revise of this chapter. Thank you, students.